Hey, this is Jason at fireplaceblowersonline.com. I want to do a quick product overview of our UZY5 kit. So the UZY5 kit is a dual blower fan kit often used in models from BIS, so older BIS fireplaces, Lennox, Superior, and even some of the older security products. So if you've got any questions with regards to compatibility, you can visit our website or consult with your owner's manual. It will list the UZY5. Sometimes the part number will be PR-UZY5, but this is the kit you need. So let's walk through a few things of the kits, about the kits. Obvious thing to start with are the two blowers. Again, dual blower setup. Each blower, each left and right side blower, 100% ball bearing. So each motor's got two sealed ball bearings in the motor, and each wheel here, if you can see that, has a rubber red end cap on the end. There's a sealed ball bearing in there. Cheaper models of the UZY5, a lot of the overseas kits, plastic bearings, brass bushings, those only have an ability to hold grease or lubrication for so long, so their lifespan is minimal. So we take the extra added step here of recessing a sealed ball bearing in these guys, and it definitely goes to the longevity of the product. These are very well balanced, very quiet blowers. So despite the fact that these guys are each pushing 110, 115 CFM, so that's like 220, 230 total, very quiet, very well balanced. These will come to you pre-wired and fully assembled, so installation does not have to be completed by a professional. These are designed as a do-it-yourself kit. The UZY5 comes standard as you see it, so that's a 3-foot grounded, 3-prong grounded outlet, or power cord, excuse me. And that is mated then in line with a magnetic temperature sensor. So obviously the purpose of the temperature sensor is the blowers will turn on and off automatically as the temperature of the fireplaces rise and fall. And this one is a 120/90 switch, so when the surface temperature of the fireplaces reaches 120 degrees, that's going to automatically turn the blowers on, and as the fireplace cools off, it will automatically turn the blowers off. We do offer a variable speed option for these guys, so that is an option. We can do that one of two ways. We can wire an inline speed controller, the purpose of that would be if you want to mount the speed controller below the fireplace, or we can do a wall-mounted speed controller. The wall-mounted speed controller option actually requires that you have a dedicated wall switch to control the outlet that your blower plugs into. A lot of times those outlets are constantly powered. So if your outlet is constantly powered and you do not have a designated wall switch, we cannot do a wall-mounted package, but we can certainly do an inline speed controller that mounts below the fireplace. A couple other things, really heavy, thick, galvanized steel brackets for the blowers. What you can't see is on the bottom of these guys, these are not mounted with any particular hardware. There's a couple of actual strip magnets on the bottom of these guys. The wire leads between the two blowers, which is this guy right here, they're pretty long because these blowers in some cases get spaced pretty far apart. So that lead has to be about 3 feet in length. Instructions will of course come included, so pay attention again to the instructions for your model, but again, very easy to install. And of course, if you've got any questions, you can always reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. So thanks again for your time. We'll look forward to helping you out. Take care.